Hi guys, so in this video we will discuss how to contribute to the LMS that we have recently added. So once you click on this, you will see the courses here. As a demo purpose, we have added these courses. So you just click on once. So you will see this. These are the title of the course, some description, and this is the top. These are the topics. So like other platform you see on Udemy or Coursera, etc. So you see these the pattern is of course. So once you enroll in this option, so obviously you will have to log in here. Once you log in, you will get your dashboard. So as you know, like you already have this post option, adding a post option, these options. So similarly, now we are going to add here the this LMS option. So for that we'll have to just go back once and we'll have to click on this instructor registration, right? So once you click on this, you will have to just click once here, apply to become a instructor, and you will see here the pending status, and it may take 1 day to approve it, or otherwise you can just always ask us on the WhatsApp number. So we will just approve it in a minute. So after our approval, you will see this status will be approved. It's converted to the approved. So now you will be able to see here this LMS option, right? So now we'll have to click on the code.
Okay, so just let's give an example here, like a Arduino course. So, and we can add here any description we want. So let me just search here for the reference. So we can just add this difference, add this description here, like this one, right? As we know, like the course cannot be changed. Obviously, the course is the same thing. So we can just copy it. But I just suggest you to give the credit to the writer or the author. So now let me just add here the topics, maybe the course topic 1 and the summary. Yeah, so we should take the topics from here, like introduction of the Arduino. So let's take a introduction of Arduino, and the summary you can write the same thing you just write as of now. Okay, so in the introduction of the Arduino, we can add the lessons. So here, like the lessons, you have the wattage Arduino, history of the Arduino, like that. So let me add here the wattage Arduino. You can copy paste the things. Now we'll have to write here the wattage Arduino. So basically, we can write this thing here. Okay, so here we have just done cover this, and now we can upload this image here if we have any, like for example, as of now, let's in place of Arduino just give this image, and the in the source you can give this like YouTube video, Arduino YouTube video. So let me just give you an Arduino YouTube. So you will see here. So we can see this. We can take this as introduction. So just take this URL, and here we can give the time limit if you want to give, and if you want to give any kind of attachment that user can download, you can give here. Otherwise it's okay. Yeah, so now one thing I have to tell you, for the basic editor, like you are seeing here, this is the basic editor for the lessons. You can use this, but if you want the more functionality, like you see in the post, like the adding images, something else, so you can use this classical editor. A new lesson here with classical editor. So yeah, just remember one thing once again. you'll have to publish the course first, then only you can enter to this classical editor, right? So just remember this thing. Now just what was the second, okay, so second lesson was history of the Arduino. So let me just give some history of Arduino. So basically we'll just copy from here. Maybe you can search the things here, history of Arduino. You will get it maybe on Wikipedia or something, like you will get it digitally, right? So you just copy paste the things. So here we can also add the images, because we are seeing here this classical editor. So in the classical editor, like you can make it much interactive. You can, because we have these like lot of options here. You already know about it. So you just, so, and the videos, if you want the video source, you can give this video source. So ultimately what you see on the Udemy or some other platform, so in the same thing we will also, our content, our course layout also in the LMS is the same. So we can give YouTube video here. Always we'll have to give a YouTube video related to this. So in the history of the Arduino, we can give a lesson for history of the video. Maybe we can take it from here. So let's take this and just add this here. So now the second lesson also we have completed. Just click submit for review. So now we have completed this second lesson. We can just refresh it if you want to check this second lesson. So you can refresh here. Now let me add some other topic, the module 2, that will be Arduino syntax programming. So let's make this only. So in the second module or the section, we can add this lesson here. So again we are using this classical editor. So we can give now the title name here, that I guess the lesson, the first lesson is here, the basic syntax. So we will just check here the basic syntax. We will write basic syntax here. Okay, and here we can write the basic syntax description. Okay, so we can write something here, whatever we want. We also, obviously we can give all the features are you already know. Okay, and here again this lesson also related to this Arduino, and here we can again add this YouTube video. And now we'll have to check the YouTube video for this basic syntax first lesson of the module 2. So the basic syntax, yeah. And now just take care of this thing, like whatever the content we are going to give you, you will have to try the best video available from our this RoboSlog or Slog channel. So you don't need to copy the this URL from others YouTube video, because obviously we will have to keep all the contents ours, and we are already preparing these contents. You will get almost all the content in the our YouTube channel. If you are not getting, that means you just connect with us so that we can guide you, like how that whatever the course are making. So we will just try to add as soon as possible there. So basic syntax Arduino, we will just copy this. Okay, now again submit for the review. And just yeah, one thing just remember here, because here you have to like you have to give the all the contents, so that you can see this whole content in the lesson field. The same the video, you can say the same the video explanation you will also give in the form of the post. So once you're done with it, just click on submit or review. And so hence we have added this in the second section, we have added one course here, one lesson here. Now again add one more lesson here. So what it should be, it's a second lesson of this, it's selecting word and report. So we will just give here selecting board and port, and here obviously you can give the description of the whole thing with images or whatever you want to do, whatever you want to give. And now let's just add the video here. So for that, just search here. So let me just give any one as of now, and obviously you will get the all the slog channel by searching slog Arduino. Once you search these two things, obviously you will get us on the top, like as we already added so many like videos, so you will get us on the top. Okay, and once you get this, you can click on this log and you will find the whole channel and whole videos. Okay, so now the once the description is done and the video too, we can again submit this to. So hence we have added in the second module, second section, we have added the second lesson too, and now we can just get back and just can refresh the page, the main course page. I guess this was the lesson page. So just go here and now just refresh once. So you can add as many lesson you want without giving I mean without approving from the admin. You can add any lessons you want, but ultimately for the course you will have to like you will have to get approved from the admin, because the course you are seeing here you will not see in the LMS section until you will not get approved from the admin. So now for the third lesson you will see this LED blinking course here, LED blinking lesson. And LED blinking, you can obviously again you can search for LED blinking Arduino and you can just you will get it, this whole thing. I just can paste here in the simple way. So this was the basic editor. If you want to do things more, you can always just check this classical editor. So I don't want to this time just add this, so let me just only keep this video, this simple URL, simple lesson here. And again we can just copy this YouTube URL, so just paste it here. So now we will see like we have added successfully added few lessons in the section 1 and section 2. It's enough, I guess. So now let me just, yeah, again once I'm just repeating this last time. In the lesson section you have two editors, the one this editor, normal editor, and the second one is classical editor, what you see on your post editor. As a post editor you can say, in the post you see so much like whatever the during the post making you have seen this, that editor, the same editor is this classical editor, right? That called Gutenberg editor it called. So you can, once you click on this, obviously you have to close this. Then you cannot further change in this because it will just mismatch the things. So better you just click, just cancel it and just focus on this here only in this classical editor. So fourth lesson was analog write. So let me just give a analog write here. So analog write, basically, obviously it's a capital W. So you can search for this and you can give the description here. Okay, and again you can just copy paste this URL, this course video here. So hence I guess we have done lot of like we have added a lot of things. We can now check. Now let me add one or two images here so that you can get whole exact idea like how it will look like. Okay, so just click on submit for review as of now, as we are done with the things. And once you just it has been saved, now you will have to click, just refresh it, and finally just click on submit for review. So now it may take 1 or 2 days again for we will just review it and we will publish it. So you just wait for 1 or 2 days. As you see here, like in the RobustLogs LMS, when you will go in the website of this robuslog.in, and once you click on this LMS section here, you are not going to get any courses, any your course, this course here. So you can see these 7 courses are just the same as it was. So you'll have to get approved from the admin, only then the course will be added here.